let's learn how we can share access to your ads account from your company page. Now, in order to run ads either for your client account, or let's say you are working for any agency as a white label and that agency is working for any client and you need access for that client account, you need to get access both from the ads account as well as from the company page. So from the ads account, you need to get at least an account manager access or a campaign manager access. When you are into your campaign manager, click on manage access here and click on add user here. When you click on add user here, let's say I add Muhammad Salih, I can give following kinds of access. I can give account manager access, campaign manager access, creative manager, or viewer access. Viewer can just view the campaigns. Similarly, creative manager can just create the ads. So you need at least the account manager access or the campaign manager access. The difference is that in account manager, you can add other people's as well, which you cannot do in a campaign manager access. But apart from getting access from the ads account, you also need to get access from the company page as well. In how to get access from the company page, so go to the company page for that client account and click on settings, click on manage admins here, add admins. So you can add admin here. So there are different kinds of access that you can get: super admin access, content admin access, or analyst access. So you can just type in the name of the person here, let's say. So I can give these kind of access. Super admin access, this role can manage everything on the page. Similarly, the content admin access, this role like post and manages content, comments, etc. Analyst, this role only views and exports analytics on LinkedIn. So you have to give the content admin access here. Similarly, you will also see the option of paid media admins here. So when you click on the paid media admins here and click on add paid media admin, I'll just add the same person again. So you have to give at least the sponsored content poster access, or if you are using the lead gen form, you have to give the lead gen form manager access. So in order to run LinkedIn ads, you need to get access both from the ads account as well as from the company page. From the ads account, you need to get at least account manager or campaign manager access, and from the company page, from the paid media admins, you need to get at least sponsored content manager and lead gen form manager access, or you need to get content admin access. Thanks so much.